Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are having a lovely morning or afternoon or evening whenever you are watching this particular video. Yes, I know I've been gone for a long time, but I've been behind the scenes and I've been creating content like this one. So I wanted to do a quick makeup tutorial for you guys, because being in Ghana, right, like, I must say they are very good and very strict when it comes to wearing the mask. They do not play, guys. So if you're thinking of coming to Ghana, make sure you have your mask. Like, always make sure you have a spare one on you, or make sure you have a spare one on you at all times, because they do not play. When I say they do not play, I mean they do not play, which is a good thing, to be fair, which is a very good thing, because being in London, where they've not really been so strict on wearing masks and, you know, people are exempt and all this kind of stuff, going to Ghana, you're like, okay, if you're not having your mask on, Charlie, you're not coming in. And I was just like, wow. And they're very strict about that, even to the point where they're checking your temperature and all that kind of stuff, making sure you sanitize your hand, you wash your hand. Every single place I went to, from restaurant to the mall to shops, everywhere I went, they made sure there was somewhere for you to sanitize and wash your hands, which was really good. So I knew that, okay, I want to be wearing makeup, but then at the same time I can't be out because it's so damn hot and my makeup is going to be melting and I have to wear a mask. So what is the point of wearing a full face? So I just wanted to just do this just so that, you know, to inspire my ladies that want to wear makeup, who are makeup lovers. I'm not a makeup lover, but, you know, this is just something to inspire you. So if you want to do your eyebrows, you can obviously fill them in if you have thinner eyebrows. But because my eyebrows are very full, as you can see, I just thought, you know what, let me just neaten it up with a concealer. You know, just neat up with a concealer and then just put foundation underneath my eyebrows, because that's the only place you're gonna see. And so with the dark spots and stuff, you ain't gonna be seeing that because I'm gonna be having my mask on. But the moment you don't have your mask on, you just put your lip gloss on and you're good to go, sis. You can call it a day. You can call it a day, baby. But life in Ghana during COVID is not as serious anymore. Like, you watch the news, it's not just about COVID anymore. Like, you don't hear them just talking about COVID. Like, things are happening in life. Do you know what I mean? Things are going on. Things are, you know, life is becoming a bit more normal, I guess. Which is good, because we need some normality, man. We need to be looking cute so we can do full on makeup. I wonder what December is going to be like. Who's going to be coming Ghana in December? Please let me know. Comment down in the comment section if you're going to be coming to Ghana in December. I know it's going to be lit, but still, guys, still have your safety precautions and be safe, because, listen, there is still a virus going on, you know. People are still getting sick, you know. So, yeah, so please take care of yourselves. But yeah, this is just me kind of catching up with you slowly. And another reason why I wanted to do this video is because, as you can see, I am starting to break out. Like, I had a huge spot at the side of my nose, which was so annoying. But let me know if this happens to you, ladies. Like, when you freshly just come to Ghana, you start to break out with some random spots on your face, and then after a while your face moves up, like it gets smooth. If this happens to you, let me know. I don't know why it does that. Is it because your face is like needs to clear out all the bacteria or whatever? You know, it's really annoying. And plus, as well, like I said, I'm not a makeup lover, so I do like to let my face breathe, because I remember at one point I was wearing like makeup every day non-stop, and my face was so damaged and bad. Like, I was getting really dark heads, dark spots, whatnot, you name it. It was actually too much. And so I took a break and I stopped wearing makeup. And I also got like a close relative to also try that during the pandemic. I told her to just stop wearing makeup and just wear sunscreen and see how your face goes. And now she's in love with it. she doesn't wear makeup anymore. Well, she does obviously when it's needed, but then she doesn't wear makeup as much as possible if she can. And now her black hairs have reduced, and being in Ghana as well, the sun, the water, everything just clears up your face and your face becomes so smooth. You know, this is the beauty about Ghana. Ghana's sweet, Ghana's delicious. But yeah guys, we've come to the end of the video. This is my full face, well, makeup no makeup look, and hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed and God bless. Ciao.